What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Please, in this very video I'm going to show you how to add slice effect to your text. Okay, so it's going to be pretty simple, trust me. Yeah, you don't have to have enough experience in Photoshop to do this. It's pretty simple. So please, if you're new to the channel, do want to subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, I really appreciate it. Please keep on supporting me by subscribing to my channel so that we all grow together. Okay, so without much ado, let's get right into the tutorial. Let's open Photoshop. Okay, so I already have my slides. Okay, I think, let me check the fonts that I used. I used ankle pants. Okay, so you can use any fonts as well. Now, so this is the font I'm going to work with. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to grab my pen tool. Okay, you can hit P for the pen tool. Okay, now you are going to make a line. Okay, so you just do this. Yeah, so you do this to make a slice like this. Okay, now continue with creating lines to close it. Okay, now this is perfect. We have something like this. So what we are going to do is that we are going to right click and select make selection. Okay, now click on OK. Good. So the next thing to do is to hit on the layer mask icon here. Now when you have done this, what you have to do next is to duplicate it. So you can hit on Ctrl J to duplicate that. Now whilst this timer has been selected, hit Ctrl I to invert it. Okay, now you could see that it has inverted the marks. Okay, now what we are going to do is that we make sure this layer is being selected. Try to move the down part of it. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to use our arrow keys to move it. You can use the move tool, but I think using the arrow key is pretty well, so I'll just move it slightly like this. Okay, I think this one is good. Now what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to create a new layer. Okay, so let me hit on this plus icon and I'm going to name it shadow. Okay, so shadow. Now I think this is good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this timer, hold Control and select it again to make a selection. Now come back and select this shadow and make sure you select your brush too. Okay, now make sure your background is, your full background color is black. Okay, select OK. So what you're going to do is that you are just going to gently paint black here. Okay, so just do as I'm doing it. Okay, you gently paint black here. Okay, just take your time and do that. Okay, so I think we are getting the effect. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's what you do. It might not be perfect, but please take your time and do it so that you get the results. Okay, yeah, so something like this. I think I'm doing too much. Okay, something like this is okay. Okay, you get it. Now we are almost done. Okay, so what you have to do is hit Ctrl D to deselect it. Now you have your slide. Okay, so you see this is pretty simple. Let's move it in full screen mode. There you go. Okay, so that's all for this video. Please do want to subscribe to the channel. We have great tutorials coming up for you guys, so do well. Until we meet, it's a bye.